Hi, everybody. Welcome to math today. We are multiplying two digits using the area model and partial products. This is a review of what we learned at the very beginning of the school year, but we're coming back to it because we've been seeing a lot of mistakes on your area problems in math, and a lot of them have to do with your multiplying. So we're going back and reviewing this great method for multiplying that will hopefully reduce your number of mistakes. We are going to be using this activity today. I'm going to model for you the first example. So you're going to start by putting your name here. Mine is Mrs. Watson. Then I'm going to come to the first slide. Now you won't need to do this slide because I'm going to be doing it with you right now. So we're going to start where the problem we're going to be doing is right over here on the side. So I've got 72 times 17. Now, many of you might feel comfortable multiplying this using the regrouping method, but even some of you that think you're comfortable are still making multiplication mistakes, which is why I want you to stop doing that for just this lesson and practice our area model. So first, we come over here and we take that 72 and it goes on top, and we break it into expanded form. So we have 70 plus 2. Then we take 17 and it gets put into expanded form for 10 and 7. Then in each box, we multiply two numbers together and then we add the total. So we're going to start in our green box by doing 70 times 10. 7 times 1 is still 7, plus I am in the tens place for both of them, so I'm going to add 2 zeros. So this number is 700. So I'm going to erase, backspace the question mark, and type 700. Next box is 2 times 10, which I know is 20. Okay, on this one, I accidentally pressed backspace before I had a chance to write my number in. So what I'm going to do in this situation is I'm going to come up here and press undo, and it should bring back my box. If for some reason it doesn't come back, you can always come here and draw your own text box. It's not going to be the same cute font, but it will still work. Okay, 70 times 7. I'm going to start with 7 times 7, multiplication fact. 7 times 7 is 49, plus I have to add a 0 because this is 70. So it's going to be, notice how I double clicked and then backspace, 490. Okay, last but not least, I have 2 times 7, which is 14. Okay, now I'm going to take each one of these multiplications or partial products and add them together. So first I'm going to line these up. So I'm going to put 700, 20, 490, and 14. Now, since I have my scratch paper here, I'm going to go ahead and write this addition problem down because it's usually easier if you have scratch paper on hand. I always like to have it on hand. So I start by multiplying, or not multiplying, adding 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. Now I have 2 plus 9 plus 1. That's going to work best if I add 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 2 is 12. Trying to make my 10s there. So I'm going to put my 2 on the bottom and regroup my 1. Then I'm going to do 7 plus 4 plus 1. Well, if I do 7 plus 1, that's 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So my final answer is, I'm going to type in the box, is 1,000, 224. And that's my answer. Now you can see how to do the partial products in case you forgot. You're going to start by doing expanded form from the problem over here on the side, and then you're going to be multiplying in each box and then adding them up. Throughout the assignment, each of these scaffold kind of goes away. So we start out with all the information. And then on the next slide, notice how our multiplication disappeared. So you should be able to know where each multiplication fact goes. If you get stuck, it's still over here on the side. Then as you go down, same kind. Oh, now our multiplication problems have disappeared from this side. Notice how as we go, you're getting more and more to do it on your own. When you get to the bottom, there's a fast finisher if you're interested. And that is our assignment for today. Good luck, and message your teacher if you have questions.